Well, in a recent event, Century Plyboards Limited announced the grand inauguration of the company's largest integrated wood panel manufacturing plant at Badvel in YSR Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Jagan Mohan Reddy, was present during the event. Let's have a look at this special report.
India's manufacturer for wood panel and decorative industry, Century Plyboards India Limited recently announced the grand inauguration of the company's largest integrated wood panel manufacturing plant at Badvel in YSR Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh YS Jagan Mohan Reddy along with Chairman of CenturyPly, Shri Sajjan Bhajanka were present during the event.
Today marks a momentous day in the history of Century Plyboards India Limited, with the commencement of our largest capacity till date in the state of Andhra Pradesh. We have been very fortunate and honoured that the Honourable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, has inaugurated our new capacity for medium density fibre board and laminates in the region of Badvel, in the district of Kadapa. I think this is going to be one of our growth drivers for the foreseeable future, and we are very, very bullish on the prospects that this new endeavour shall bring.
Century Plyboards India Limited had allocated an investment of close to 1,000 crore rupees for the laminate, MDF and PVC unit in Andhra Pradesh. This inauguration marks the beginning of the realization of the government's vision of 1 lakh acres of plantation in the YSR Kadapa district that will transform the land with lush flora and fauna. This move by Century Ply will help uplift the district into a new benchmark of sustainable development.
Well, with that, it's time to wind down on this edition of Rush Hour. I'll take your leave. Thank you so much for tuning in.